If you want to change account visibility on BlueSky Social, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Click the three bars at the top left. Click the settings, all right? And you're gonna see right here, privacy and security, and you're gonna see logged out visibility. And BlueSky will not show your profile and post to logged out users. Basically, that's a new feature. BlueSky is an open and public network. This setting only limits the visibility of your content on the BlueSky app and website. You can just go ahead and turn it on to discourage apps from showing your content or your account to logged out users, because of course BlueSky is an open website, so anyone can actually see the home feed. But if you turn it on, no one will be able to access your post if they are not signed in. Again, this is not a feature to make your account private. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.